Welcome everyone to our 60-day senior fitness series. Today is day 26 and we'll be doing 3 simple leg exercises to keep your legs strong, flexible, and full of energy. If you're new here, don't worry. These exercises are gentle, safe, and perfect for seniors over 60. So grab your chair, make some space, and let's begin together. Exercise 1, sit to stand, chair squats. Now before we begin, make sure you have your sturdy chair ready and place it on a flat surface. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart and keep your back straight. Cross your arms over your chest, take a deep breath, and get ready to move. We will do this together, slowly and safely. When you stand up, press your heels into the floor, lift your body up slowly, and stand tall, then gently sit back down without dropping too fast. Remember, control is key. Do not rush. Keep your breathing steady, and let us start our 50 repetitions together. I will count with you, so follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful. You did it. Keep breathing deeply and relax your legs for a moment. You are doing an excellent job keeping your body active and strong. How are you all feeling so far? Are your legs warming up nicely? If you are watching this from the United States, the United Kingdom, India, Pakistan, or anywhere else in the world, type your country name in the comment section below. I would love to know where my strong senior friends are joining from. Remember, you are not alone. We are one big fitness family here. Keep moving, keep smiling, and get ready for our next exercise. Exercise 2, seated leg raises. All right, my amazing friends, now we move on to exercise 2, which is called seated leg raises. This exercise is perfect for improving blood circulation in your legs and strengthening your lower limbs. It helps to reduce stiffness, builds endurance, and keeps your legs active and flexible. You will need the same sturdy chair you used before. Make sure it is placed on a flat surface and that you are sitting comfortably. Sit tall with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your hands resting gently on the sides of the chair for balance. Now, slowly lift your right leg up until it is parallel to the floor. Hold it there for a count of 2 seconds, then lower it down slowly. After that, lift your left leg and do the same. Remember to move slowly and breathe deeply. Do not rush. Focus on control and balance. We are going to do 50 repetitions together, alternating legs. Keep your posture straight and breathe steadily. Let us begin our count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job. Keep breathing in and out slowly. Feel that gentle stretch in your legs. That is your muscles getting stronger and your circulation improving. You are doing an excellent job taking care of your health. Exercise 3, standing heel raises, calf strengthener. All right, my strong and wonderful friends, welcome to exercise 3, the standing heel raises, also known as the calf strengthener. This movement is simple but extremely powerful. It strengthens your calf muscles, improves your balance, and supports your ability to walk confidently. You only need the back of a sturdy chair for this exercise, so stand behind your chair and hold the backrest gently for support. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart, your back is straight, and your chest is open. Now slowly lift your heels off the ground so you are standing on your toes. Feel the stretch in your calves. Hold that position for 1 second, then slowly lower your heels back to the floor. Do not rush. Keep every movement controlled and gentle. This will help strengthen your legs and protect your joints. Let us begin together. We are going to complete 50 repetitions. Stand tall, keep breathing, and move with me as we count together. Ready? Let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. Take a deep breath and gently relax your legs. Feel the light warmth in your calves. That is your body getting stronger and more balanced. You are doing something amazing for yourself right now. We are halfway done. Keep going, friends. Your legs are thanking you right now for staying consistent and active. You are building better strength and balance with every repetition. If you have completed all 50 repetitions with me, give yourself a big smile and write "I did it" in the comments. Also, do not forget to share this video with your senior friends so they can join you in this healthy journey. Together, we stay strong, steady, and full of life.